Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zero Build Fortnite. This mode completely removes the building mechanic, shifting your focus entirely to gunplay and strategic movement. You'll need to master weapon accuracy and quick decision-making, using the environment for cover instead of constructing your own defenses. It's a fast-paced, action-packed experience that rewards sharp aim and smart positioning. Get ready to adapt your playstyle for pure combat. To excel in Zero Build, always seek the high ground. It offers a significant tactical advantage for spotting enemies and landing shots. Carrying a balanced loadout of weapons and plenty of healing items, like at least 2 medkits and 4 shield potions, is crucial for survival. Don't forget mobility items such as shockwave grenades or grapple gloves to quickly reposition or escape danger. Constant awareness of your surroundings will keep you one step ahead. Your weapon loadout is vital. Aim for a versatile combination, perhaps an assault rifle for mid-range, a shotgun for close quarters, and a sniper rifle for long-distance eliminations. Practice quick weapon swapping to maximize your damage output in intense firefights. Always try to engage enemies from positions with ample cover, like behind a rock or inside a structure. Avoid pushing across wide-open areas without protection, as you'll be an easy target. For advanced play, master mantling and tactical sprinting to traverse the map efficiently and surprise opponents. Predicting enemy rotations and common pathways will give you a significant edge in ambushes. Look for opportunities to third-party ongoing fights, swooping in to eliminate weakened opponents and secure easy eliminations. In team modes, clear and concise communication with your squad is paramount for coordinated pushes and successful victories.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.